Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to automatically delete your Telegram account if you've been away for 24 months using Telegram Web on your PC. This is part of Telegram's latest update, and it's a great way to protect your privacy if you ever stop using the app. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side panel will appear with several options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can control everything related to your profile. Next, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram allows you to manage how your data is handled and protected. Now scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled If Away For. This is the feature that controls when your account will automatically delete itself due to inactivity. Click on it, and you'll see several time options like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and more. From these choices, select 24 months. This means if you don't log into your Telegram account for 2 full years, it will be permanently deleted along with all your messages and data. After selecting 24 months, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, your new inactivity setting is active. And that's it.